Breaking news, top stories, and everything you need to know. This is Today News USA. Stay informed with the latest updates from across the nation and beyond.
When Donald Trump signed his latest executive order on elections, he set the stage for a major legal battle over voter fraud, proof of citizenship, and the limits of presidential power. But one part of the order that's flying under the radar? It puts Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, in charge of investigating voter fraud. The order tells the Department of Homeland Security to work with DOGE to comb through voter registration records and compare them to federal and state databases, looking for cases of non-citizens voting, which is illegal but extremely rare. If this sounds familiar, that's because Trump tried something similar back in 2017. Back then, his Voting Integrity Commission, led by Mike Pence and Chris Kobach, tried to create a national voter database to track fraud. But 44 states and Washington, D.C. refused to hand over their data, citing privacy concerns. Some states, even Republican ones, flat out rejected the request. Mississippi's Secretary of State at the time had one of the bluntest responses. They can go jump in the Gulf of Mexico. That effort collapsed without finding any proof of widespread fraud. And experts are already saying this new attempt could face the same roadblocks. Legal scholars warn that Trump is giving his team more aggressive tools this time, including the power to issue subpoenas and even withhold law enforcement funding from states that don't cooperate. That's raising concerns that DOGE could manipulate incomplete data and falsely claim there's massive fraud. MIT elections expert Charles Stewart III put it bluntly. The amount of chaos this is going to cause could be mind-boggling. The problem, he says, is that different states keep their voter data in different formats, making it nearly impossible to match names accurately. This could result in millions of false matches and a flood of bogus fraud claims. State election officials, especially Democrats, are already pushing back. Minnesota's Secretary of State, Steve Simon, said this feels like a repeat of 2017 and is worried Trump's team will try to bully states into handing over voter data. He pointed out that public voter files don't actually contain the personal details DOGE would need for a real investigation. Other officials, like Maine's Secretary of State Shenna Bellows, are calling the order a huge violation of privacy, and are especially frustrated because Trump and Musk's administration have cut funding for real election security measures. This executive order isn't about security, Bellows said. It's about compromising citizen privacy and threatening to strip away funding that actually helps keep elections safe. The White House hasn't said much beyond a general fact sheet, but one thing is clear. This move is setting up yet another showdown between the federal government and the states over election laws.
Thanks for watching Today News USA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next report.